Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Banggood 2 review. I've already done 2 or 3 reviews with good results. The stuff I've had's been decent. I've actually asked for this time. It's a number 3 more taper live centre because the centres I've got aren't very good. I've got a lightweight one and the heavyweight one's badly worn, so the centres is. Before I start the review, I want to make a couple of things perfectly clear. The first thing is Banggood didn't make that. Banggood imported them from China. The second thing is they've sent this to me completely free of charge to do with whatever I want. I suppose that's the payment they're going to get for me doing this review. And one thing you can be sure of, it's an honest, true review. I don't need to tell stories. What you see here will be the real thing. Anyway, we'll put it in the lathe, I'll run a clock on it, we'll have a look at it, and I'll do some turning, some heavy turning, see how it works. So, onward with the torture. These are the centres you see me using all the time. This one came with a lathe, it's actually carbide tipped. The bearings are rough, I've had it apart and re-greased the bearings. It's a real good centre, but there's quite a bit of wear on it. This one I bought brand new, it's in really good condition. It's got several different adapters, but it's quite a lightweight one, not designed for heavy turning. Right, that's enough of the centres I've already got. This is the centre Banggood have sent us, 3 Morse taper. It's got 3 bearings in there seemingly, and this has been hardened. One thing I have noticed is that's what that'll be screwed in, that's what holds it together. There's no points in there so you can't disassemble it easily. Anyway, we're not going to disassemble it, we're going to use it. As I've already said, it's a 3 Morse taper because my lathe is a 3 Morse taper tailstock. I'll run a clock gauge on here first and see how true it's actually running. It does feel nice and smooth and there's no noticeable play in it at all. Right, there's nothing on that, which is bearing feels nice. But I'm going to touch the tool off. Put a nice heavy cut on, and what we're watching for is any deflection on the end of that piece of bar. Right, I'll give it a 1.5mm cut. Just taking that, no problem. Right, another 1.5, that will make it 3mm when it gets up to that shoulder. These are actually the cutters I reviewed last week. There's some load going to come onto it now. That's a real heavy cut and that centre's not moving. Right, I don't see what else I can do with it. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. No play in it at all. Runs nice and true. Sounds good. I think you must agree, I give the centre a good run for its money there. I don't see what else I can do other than I use it like a puncher. Right, the final question is, would I spend my money on that using my home workshop? Without a doubt. If I was running a CNC machine at 5,000 RPM, I wouldn't buy it, but I'm not. I'm a mechanic that pisses about in a home workshop, and I think it's really good value for money. You've seen what it does. I'll put a link in the description box if you want to go and have a look. Anyway, thanks for watching.